Can you solve this problem? So today we're going to add 123,456,789 plus 987,654,321. So the first step is to line up the values according to their place values. So you'll see that the 9 and 1 here are lined up in the 1's place value, while the 8 and the 2 are lined up in the 10's. The 7 and the 3 are lined up in the hundreds. So let's start off with the first column. 9 plus 1 is 10. So since we can't put a 2-digit number down here, we're going to have to regroup. So I'll put the 0 down here and the 1 up here. 1 plus 8 is 9, and 9 plus 2 is 11. Let's regroup. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 3 is 11. 1 plus 6 is 7, plus 4 is 11. 1 plus 5 is 6, plus 5 is 11. 1 plus 4 is 5, plus 6 is 11. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 7 is 11. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 8 is 11. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 9 is 11. Since there's nothing down here, we bring this one all the way down, and then we add our commas. So 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. So our final answer is 1,111,111,110.